How to log in to BitBucket in Visual Studio Code. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your BitBucket account in Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your device. After that, open Visual Studio Code. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for smooth integration. Next step is to install Atlassian extension. Go to Extension tab, which is on the left side option. Then search for Atlassian for VS Code. Now click on this and click on Install button. It is going to ask again for reconfirmation. Just click on Trust Publisher and install. This extension lets you connect with BitBucket and Jira. Once the extension is installed, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Then search for Atlassian Open Settings and click it. Then under the BitBucket section, click Connect to BitBucket. Next step is to authorize in browser. A browser window will open asking you to log into your BitBucket account. Enter your credentials, authorize the app and come back to VS Code. And that's it. This is how you log into your BitBucket in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.